They believe in the wrong things.
Explain that a bit more.
What I mean by that, it's actually quite interesting to go into history here. But the ANC started 100 odd years ago, and they started at the time when the world was basically split in two parts, ideologically. The one was the interventionist, socialist part, let's call it the East, and the other part was the more free market, individualist kind of part, where you believe in a free market kind of system. Let's call it the West, if you like to. And there are reasons why the ANC decided to go for the left wing or the eastern side of the world. And the part of that had to do with colonialism, had to do with apartheid then, had to do with that sort of stuff. And they decided to follow the ideology which was basically rooted in a value-labor theory of Karl Marx. And it makes sense if you understand that. And in a way, you can have sympathy for that. And the reason why is because if you go back 150 years ago, look at the economy was factories with people with blue overalls and greasy hands, and they're really working very, very hard. It was tough. It wasn't easy then. And that's where the ideas, now not that I agree or disagree, that's not the point, but that is what it looked like then. That's not the modern economy anymore. A modern economy, there are still people working in factories, but they wear white shirts and they walk around with clipboards, and they're IT managers and they are artificial intelligence people. So the environment is completely different. But the ANC is still rooted in that ideology based on Karl Marx's labor value theory.